Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. Okay, so today I'll be unboxing the Huawei P Smart Z. So I've just picked up this device from Argos UK. It's currently selling for £179.99. So this is a mid-range device with some pretty decent specs for the price. Okay, so I'm going to go through some of the specs before I actually do the unboxing. So this device has the Huawei HiSilicon Kirin 710 processor. It also has 4 gigabytes of RAM. This is the 64 gigabyte model in emerald green. The display is pretty large, 6.5 inches, and it has a 1080p IPS display. Okay, so this device also has dual cameras. The front-facing camera is a 16 megapixel mechanical pop-up camera, and also the rear shooter on the back is also 16 megapixels as well. It has a pretty large battery, 4000 milliamp hour battery in the back. So yeah, I'm just gonna do the unboxing. So where's my knife? Okay, so here's my knife. So I'm just gonna cut the seal. Okay, so here is the device. Okay, so let's see what else comes in the box. Okay, so we get the SIM ejector tool, quick start guide, warranty card, and we get the 3-pin adapter there, and a USB Type-C cable. And we also get some headphones as well. So these are not the best headphones, but at least we do get some headphones bundled in. And there's nothing else in the box there. So I'm just going to take the device out of this plastic sleeve, and wow, this device does look really cool. It's very nice. It's really not that heavy. There's a little heft to it, but not that much. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so we've got the SIM tray there. We've got the mechanical front-facing camera here at the top. There's nothing on the left-hand side here. And on the right, we have a volume up and down rocker. Also the power button. And underneath, we have the headphone jack, the USB charging port, and also the speaker grill. And on the back we have the dual cameras there with the LED flash, and also the fingerprint sensor, and we have the Huawei branding there. And this is in emerald green. I don't know if you can see, but there's like a two-tone color to it here. I'm not sure if it's picking it up on the camera, but it's darker here at the top and a bit lighter down here at the bottom. I'm not sure if it's picking it up on the camera, but yeah, the finish looks perfect. Okay, so I'm just going to power it on. Let's see if there's any juice. And this is running EMUI Android 9.0. I believe it is, fresh out of the box. Whoa, that boot animation looks really nice. I like the little sound to it as well. The little tone when it boots. Yeah, EMUI. Okay, so I'm just gonna go through the initial setup. So let's get started. Next. I'll insert the SIM card later. Okay, let me just connect to the Wi-Fi real quick. Okay. And this device also has NFC. I can see the little NFC logo there. You can also join the user experience improvement program. I'll join that later. And you can get your popular apps from that page there. Okay, so this is the home screen. And I must say the display is very bright at first glance. Wow, it's really bright. Let me see if the brightness is turned up. And it's only at halfway there. And it's so bright. And the viewing angles are amazing. No matter how I turn the device, I can still see the display and all the applications. Let me just turn down this brightness a little bit. Okay, so let me just check out the front-facing camera. Okay, so it should pop up. There it is. Wow. And it makes a sound. I don't know if you can hear that. When it launches, when the camera launches, it makes this sound. Okay, so let's check out the pre-installed applications. So there's quite a bit of bloat here. Got optimizer, themes, music, video, health, the usual Google apps, Play Store, email, settings, and gallery. And we've got high care, app gallery, clock, calendar, files, notepad, tips, tools, top apps, Facebook, and booking. So I'm going to uninstall some of those because I don't really use Facebook. So let me just check out there it is, the Android version, Android 9. So it's running Android 9 fresh out of a box. This device will be getting the Android 10 update. Okay, so 64 gigs and currently using 10.2 fresh out of the box. So yeah guys, this was my unboxing video of the Huawei P Smart Z in emerald green. Like I says, this device is currently selling at Argos UK for £179.99. If you're interested in getting a nice smartphone with some decent specs in the mid-range category, this is definitely one to take a look at. Thanks for watching. You already know what to do. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up. If it's the first time you're watching my videos on my channel, also subscribe to my channel, because I will be banging out some more videos on this device. Yeah, it's your boy the Android Doctor. See ya in the next video. I'm out. Deuces.